Always refer to your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures.
And always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment.
What we got going on here today, Nick?
Hey buddy, I'm changing out the thermostat on this backhoe.
Ah, cool.
Got a new thermostat kit here. It's part of one of those self-service options at SSO.
I've heard of self-service options, you know, things like alternators, starters, kind of those wear items and things like that, you know, our technicians or do-it-myself technicians and owner-operators are more than capable of performing these repairs. So
Absolutely.
we give them the option with the instructions and a full kit to be able to go ahead and do that out on the job site.
Absolutely. You know, I mean, we've had this backhoe out here working. We're a few hours away from the shop, and we were able to grab this and come out and get it swapped out.
You know, that's a good point, Nick. When we talk about self-service options, that's what it's all about. It's about eliminating downtime. A lot of our customers are, you know, miles, if not hours away from the Caterpillar dealer. So having these available for our customers just really eliminates that downtime. Maybe a Cat dealer can't get a technician out to you right away, or maybe it's the next day. So, you know, you're subtracting out days worth of downtime for small repairs like thermostats and alternators and other things. That's pretty easy to do those on your own. You know, and even before they go to that parts store, we can hook a customer up with parts.cat.com.
Yep.
So which actually lists all of these self-service options for you out. That's where you're going to find your instructions for a self-service option. All you have to do is go ahead and pop in your machine serial number prefix or your engine serial number prefix on parts.cat.com. It's actually going to have a listing of the self-service options available for that particular engine. So let's go over a few. You know, my slinging injectors in and out, crankshafts, Nick. I mean.
No. These are the easier things to change out, right? Some of these, they're not maintenance items, but they're high wear items. You know, like an alternator or starter,
Sure.
batteries, water pumps, belts.
So if these items are known to wear out, maybe they're not maintenance components, you know, might actually be a good idea if I had a few on site. Because we talked a little bit earlier, you know, if I'm 24 hours out from a technician, I don't want to be 5-6 hours out from a part either,
Sure,
right?
sure.
So that's just more downtime.
Yeah, and you don't need, you know, somebody to come out and change these parts out for you and pay the service fee and things like that.
With a little bit of capability, a couple wrenches, most of them can be done, you know, by any technician, right? So we do include the instructions in these self-service options, along with, again, all the parts you're gonna need, you know, as far as the kit goes, the gaskets, things like that. So with a self-service option, especially if you have one on your own shelves, all that downtime goes away in about a half an hour. You're back up and running. So just make sure that go out to parts.cat.com. You can throw in your engine serial number prefix and look at all the self-service options available for your engine.